Welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you guys know when we upload a new video. As always, I'm MJ, Product Support Manager here at JBS Equipment. And in today's video, we're going to be going over floor chain maintenance on your M Series. All right, first step, we're going to torque the floor chain to 25 foot-pounds. I cannot emphasize enough the importance of using a torque wrench. Here we go. Beep is the new click. Just like that, floor chain torqued. In order to get a good view of the chain and sprockets, we need to remove this safety cover first. So we're gonna do that. Just kind of lift it up, put on magnets and clips, pop it out of here, set it on the tires. Okay, now that we've got this cover off, before you put your hands in here, please make sure the tractor is shut down. That being said, so what we're looking at here is we don't want any debris built up in and around this sprocket, around the idler shaft, and also just take a quick check to make sure you don't have a bent cross slat. You may have noticed that there are no grease nipples up front for the front idler sprockets. This is by design. They don't need greasing. The rear shaft, on the other hand, definitely does. As like our other machines, 2 shots of grease every day is all you need. Show you how to do that right now. All right, 2 shots of grease, or until you can see grease. That's all you need. Well, that's it for this short but sweet episode of Tech Tuesday. Be sure to like and follow us on our social media platforms, and if you have a video idea you'd like to see, drop them in the comments section below.